Are you tired of watching other skincare brands create effective products while you are still relying on pro-mix bases, tubes, activator, serums, or shea proper oils, and random online recipes? If you missed our previous classes, here is another opportunity to join our Advanced Skincare Formulation Training. This training is designed for serious formulators, aspiring skincare entrepreneurs, and beauty brands that want to create high performance skincare products completely from scratch. Yes, you heard me right. Everything in this training is formulated from scratch. No whitening based creams, no activator serums, no activator tubes, no shortcut, no guesswork. Just real formulation science, professional ingredients combination, and advanced techniques used to create effective products that customers love and repurchase. During this training, you will learn how to formulate body lotions, facial creams, serums, toners, body oils, body butters, scrub, acne treatment product, hyperpigmentation solution, black soap customization, kiddies products, and much more. So, whether you are starting a skincare business or looking to upgrade your formulation skill, this class will give you the confidence and knowledge to formulate professionally and stand out in the market. This is a one on one training program tailored to your learning needs. We do not offer group classes. Your training package includes audio and video lessons, detailed notes, formulas, and ebooks. So at the end of the training, you are going to get an ebook sent directly to your email, and the ebook contains every formula that will be shared in class. You are also going to get access to verified ingredient suppliers within and outside Nigeria. So if you're in other countries, you are going to get access to verified ingredient suppliers you can buy from internationally. Ongoing support throughout your learning journey, you're also going to get that from Timik, and direct one-on-one mentorship with Timik. Training fee for this class is 400,000 naira. The duration for this class is 7 working days. You can fix the time that's convenient for you. So if you want it to be 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 5 p.m., 3 p.m., flexible learning at your pace is available. So you just pick your preferred time. If you're interested in this training, please send a WhatsApp message via the number on the screen or send a DM to Timik Skin Glow on Instagram. For persons who are not on WhatsApp, this training is done on WhatsApp. So if you are not interested and you just need only the ebook, it will be sent directly to your email. You can also reach us via the email displayed on the screen. If you are interested in only the ebook, if you are interested in only the advanced formulation ebook, it's available separately for 200,000 naira, and it will be delivered instantly to your email after payment confirmation. Send us a DM or click the link in our bio to secure your spot today. Now you're going to learn different type of whitening, different kind of lotion, whitening body lotion, brightening body lotion, moisturizing body lotion, anti-aging product, lightening facial cream, brightening. So you're going to learn different types of product for different skin goals. Okay, we have whitening serum, brightening serum, niacinamide serum, formulation vitamin C serum, whitening black soap, lightening black soap, shower gel, bar soap, different kinds of products. So get details on the course outline. Please send us a message today and you'll get a copy of the course outline. The videos you're watching on your screen now are whitening facial cream formulated from scratch. Whitening body lotion was the very first one you saw. That was made from scratch. Like you saw in the video, there was no serum, no tube was used, no whitening base cream. Like you don't have to make a separate whitening base cream before you activate. No, we're not doing this kind of activation in this class. We are going to make everything from scratch to finish, and Timik is going to guide you through. So whether you are new to formulation or not, you have nothing to worry about. Okay, whether you're familiar with percentage conversion or not, cosmetic science, This class is going to guide you and help you to formulate like a professional.